What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today is going to be a vlog style type of video. I've been in a rut for a couple weeks, and I've been pumping out like my pre-film videos for you guys and everything, but like last week was a super struggle. So I'm just kind of feeling better today, and we just got back from Ava's soccer, her first soccer practice, which was amazing. We are so proud of her because she did amazing. I might be doing a little bit different cleaning video for you guys. It will be a first person view video. It's my husband's idea, and he really thinks that you guys would like it, but I was trying to explain to him kind of how we like our cleaning videos, because they're kind of like music videos, and watching someone clean kind of motivates us, but he is on a mission. He is like, no, I really think that they're gonna like it. Who doesn't like first person view of anything? So I'm probably gonna give it a try in this video, and yeah. Anyway, let me take you downstairs. We're gonna go ahead and put Ava's bike away. She likes to ride this bike through the house. It's probably not the best thing, but it keeps her busy. So right now I'm just kind of clearing off the table. We had Ava's paint and activity stuff. We had some Burger King because we picked up Burger King breakfast from after soccer practice. So now I'm just kind of picking up everything that goes back upstairs, and I am putting it in our little catch-all basket that I do keep here by the stairs. So I'm going to go through the house, pick everything up, throw it in the basket, and then leave it on the stairs, and then at the end of the day I'll take it upstairs. I don't know why there's a box cutter knife sitting here, but there's a lot of crazy things all over that table. If you guys are new to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of my family here on YouTube, and I do have some other playlists down below in the description box if you want to check them out and kind of get to know me and possibly join our little family here. So right now we're going to go ahead and organize my cleaning closet or cleaning cupboard. It is a mess.
Insane. I never asked you to stay, but you're staying. You're giving it all for the fame. Your vanity, you have no shame. None of it makes any sense. Can you feel it? I don't wanna hear all your table talk. Let me see the one who you really are. I know it's so easy to.
Make sure to let me know down in the comments below if you guys enjoyed watching this kind of video, or if it wasn't really your thing and it was, just give me your opinions. I would love to know your guys' thoughts and opinions. It was fun to make something different, and I really enjoyed that, but I definitely want to make sure that it's something that you guys are going to be interested in seeing in the future, or if this is just something that I do one time. So let me know down below. So we're going to go ahead and wash dishes. I actually had the sink full of dishes from earlier, and it kind of just got like really mucky. The water was mucky, so I'm gonna go ahead and just fill up the dishwasher and then put in a new I'm gonna put in some new soapy water. And then this scrub brush that I'm using right now, it is actually from Grove Collaborative, which is a company where I get like 80% of my cleaning products, and I do have a little deal down below in my description box for that brush, and also the pumpkin or the fall Mrs.Meyers fall scent like seasonal collection. So you get that whole collection for free when you spend $20 on their website, and I will have that link down below if you wanted to check them out.
Play the part by not being honest. We are lost for the cause in our own specific state.
So I do like to wash my pots and pans, and these are actually my new pots and pans that I did just show in my Costco haul. I got them from Costco. They are amazing. So many of you guys were interested in knowing if I even like them. I absolutely love them. Our chicken even tastes different when I'm cooking. When I cook our chicken, it even comes out tasting different. Like, that's how amazing the pots and pans are. But it was really a great buy. I am so happy. It's been years since I've gotten new pots and pans, probably like 10 years.
What are we doing? Let us mend all the cracks that we made up. Just a bit is enough when we're fading. What are we doing? What are we doing here? What are we doing? We are lost for the cause in our own specific state. It's the logic of things that I never could explain. Fill the blanks in our dirty sheets when I'm missing a single piece. What are we doing? What are we doing when I'm missing a single?
I can hear music grow louder, top going down while we're riding. Nothing like us, babe, we be glorious. Looking real pretty like Kylie, we bring commotion, no hiding. No one like us, babe, we are glorious. So bang on the door, step to the floor, stir it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that drum, dropping the beat, all that we need. Turn it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that drum.
So if you notice, I still have my regular decor up. I did just purchase a bunch of decor from Hobby Lobby and the Target Dollar Spot, and I'll actually be doing a clean and decorate with me video this week, so stay tuned for that. That's why I just have my old decorations up right now.
Above that can stop us. You and me sparkle like stardust. No one like us, babe, we be glorious. And you can try hating or shaming, there'll be no bowing or taming. Nothing like us, babe, we be glorious. So bang on the door, step to the floor, stir it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that drum, dropping the beat, all that we need. Turn it up now, right till the morning comes. We're gonna bang that drum. Just love to play. We cannot fail. We just love to play. Just love to play. We cannot fail. We just love to play. Just love to play. We cannot
So now I'm going to go ahead and go into Remy's crate and just kind of wipe it down with hot soapy water, and it is a non-toxic soap. Alright guys, so I'm all done cleaning. I hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. Please give me a like if you did, and let me know in the comments. And don't forget to say hi so I know that you were here. Bye!